a glass collector's dream came true about a week or two ago, and a huge collection came up for auction here in the Edmonton area. This was a gentleman's lifetime collection, so of course I bid on it. Now the difference with this auction is they literally just put up pictures of a shelf. So you could see the glass that was in front of it, but you had to sort of guess at what you were bidding on that was in the back. So I actually maybe have seen maybe 40%, 30% of the glass in this auction. So I would bid on a shelf, I'd be like, yeah, that looks really good. I would bid on it, and then when we got there, actually, you couldn't even go pack it up. So unfortunately, the gentleman's back porch and the front porch, you couldn't go on them safely. So we had to wait out there while they just packed up all the glass for us. So I really don't know about most of the stuff. Like I said, this is going to be a surprise, so I'll take you guys through this. This is the first time I've sort of bid on stuff where I could hardly see any of it. Now, I do know also that a lot of this is Swedish glass, and I know nothing about Swedish glass other than the fact that it's collectible. Let's just put that here. Now, you're going to be like, Harlene, what are you going to do with these hundreds and hundreds of pieces? I'm going to list a lot of these in my Etsy store, and there will be a link down in the comments for the Etsy store. See, that looks like owls. So if you guys know any of this, comment below as we're going along. So I'm going to guess that this is some sort of owl vase. Looks in really nice shape. Over there. And we'll go on top here. Also, I never would have wrapped this in newspaper. Oh, wow. So I did see this one, and I bid on this lot because I know that this is cased glass. So you can see it's white inside, and that's Swedish colored, green cased glass. So that is a really good piece, that I know. Let's put that one over here. So I saw that one in the photo. What else? Okay, this is really skinny. Okay. Candle holder? Glass? I don't know. I'm gonna have so much researching to do this winter. It's not even funny. This is a murder weapon. Oh, pretty glass vase. Oh wow, can you guys see the etched jumping deer on this? That is beautiful. Oh, Art Deco vase. He also put a lot of tags on here. He was like my kind of collector. Art Deco vase, Leaping Deer Engraving Company, Berg Dallo. Then he's got $40. So I don't know if he valued it at $40 or he bought it. That is a beautiful piece of glass. Okay. Over there. Wait a sec. Ha! So he also liked to leave the price tags on. So the gentleman thrifted this for $6.99 at Value Village. Even if I saw that at Value Village, I would know that was something special. So I'm gonna have a lot of washing of tags to take off too. This glass is heavy. Oh, okay, so we got a matching one. His $2.99 price tag. That's pretty great. No chips. Scrat Owl Vase, De Lars Helston. He had like scratchy writing here, 1960s. So that's beautiful. So there's a set of those. I gotta remember I can't keep all this. So I bid on this because I'm gonna put it in my Etsy store, and then I'm gonna put some in my booth at the Antique Mall. So what does that say? Rejmark ruby vase, 10 inches. And that one actually has the sticker on it. Now I'm probably absolutely thrashing all these Swedish, all these Nordic names here. Sorry. You can correct me in the comments, tell me how to pronounce them. He paid $2.99 for this. That's beautiful purple. Another kind of Swedish glass. I love that he has all the price tags on. Okay, another heavy piece. Vase. Oh, another beauty. Oh, those are pussy willows, I bet. Look at how beautiful that is. It's etched on the outside. No mark. Like I said, I've got so much research. That's beautiful. Again, if you know any of these, you can comment below and say, hey, that clear vase was $4.99. I need like bifocals. It has a signature. And I think I see a 1976. HT. Beautiful little piece, but he was such a collector. I would actually pass by this in Value Village, but he bought it for $4.99. So I'll have to see what that is. I'm also suspecting that I bought hundreds of pieces of glass, and I'm not sure that I'm ready for it. But as you can see, I've cleared the back of my kitchen. I'm gonna start Christmas stuff right away, so I gotta get these done. I've cleared the back of my kitchen. I've cleared out some storage cupboards. I have room to put all these while I wait and list them on Etsy. But this is again another vase. I'm holding it upside down. Oh wow, that's a stunner. Oh, $1.99 at Goodwill. Wow. Okay, let's just appreciate this piece of glass. I've never seen this before. Oh, what does that say? 24 Kultaus, 24 carat. So that'll be 24 carat on the outside. It's not solid, of course. I wish. Retirement, here I come. It's the same weighs at 10. That is gorgeous. I'm reminding myself I do not need to get into collecting Swedish glass. I don't collect Swedish glass. This is gonna be my mantra. I don't need to collect Swedish glass. Oh, that's a pretty piece though. Ooh, that is nice. A Kennis Aurora vase, signed J.O. Lake, 60s and 70s. This gentleman took such good care of his glass. I love the labels on it. This is just such an adventure. Okay, that's another one of these things that I'm guessing is a candle holder. Okay, there's the matching one. Oh, this has the tag on it. Kumala. I can't read I'm literally gonna have to take a magnifying glass to some of these marks. Okay, so there's a set of those. Oh, gorgeous. Scruff. Scruff, and I can't read the rest. Sweden. So that's beautiful. That'll be a votive holder. So hopefully there's another one. Let's see if we can pair it up. Is it another etched one? Yeah. So another little one. That one has little cornflowers etched on it. $3.99. He picked it up at Value Village, and it is signed and numbered. So if you know what this is, again, comment below. I'm looking for collector's help, and I will be, because I have so much, I will be selling a lot of these at really good prices for collectors because I can't keep this all. I don't know what this is, but he paid $2.99. I'm assuming again, some sort of Swedish glass. Okay. Piece. Oh, it sounded broken, but it wasn't. I can't read that mark on there, but so there's one little one. Let's see. Like, I didn't pack this either, so I'm really hoping there's nothing broken. Okay, so he paid $1.49 for the two of these at the thrift store. I don't know what they do or what they are. Probably votive holders. Okay, there's like another etched vase. Oh, wow. Something with an M, glass. Another, it's a gazelle. That's stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, okay. There's more of these little green ones. So again, $1.49, 2 pieces. So there's a set of 4 of these in different shapes. Really cute. That's another votive holder. Oh, it was a sticker from something. I'll find this something it was from. This is a Linds Hemmen photo folder, Swedish glass, 1960s. I'm hoping I can pair some of these up, but maybe not. Okay, and this is another one of those little vases. Oh, there's a matching set of those ones then. So there's 2 of these, little cornflowers on them. Almost to the bottom. Oh, matching. This can't be glasses. That's too heavy for a glass. $1. That is beautiful. So there's 2 of those. That over there. Interesting. Swedish glass. Ikenas. I've seen that name before. Beautiful little bud vase. That's gorgeous. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see. That looks like an elk, like a Eurasian elk. That's etched. I usually don't like plain clear glass, but the etchings on some of this stuff is absolutely magnificent. Wow. That is gorgeous art glass. Oh, more etching. Again, it's signed, so I can look all this stuff up. It looks like a little butterfly with cattails. Gorgeous. Oh, nice price tag. That's neat. Also signed, Hadeland. What does that say? I don't know if this is the right one. Hadeland block vase, $300 to $400, signed SB. That might have been old prices. He had a lot of old glass books. So I don't think that's $300 to $400 now, but that is gorgeous. So I think he went through his art books, his art glass books, which I bought and priced according to that, but a lot of those are from the 90s. So the market's not like that. Now, what that says, but it's beautiful as well. I don't know what flower that is. Don't want any of these to fall over. Holy Dinah, this weighs as much as a stone. Wow. Holy, that's a chunk of glass. It is signed on the bottom too, but this is pure glass, like absolutely so heavy. Okay, a big chunky square. Oh, I hope it's another one of those. Nope, it's not. Oh, but that's nice. $4. Wow. Okay, that's gorgeous. And it says something, I don't know, there's something on the bottom of that, but that is stunning. So it's like the same style as that. I think I saw part of that one in the photo. Okay, another heavy one. Child with a ball. Interesting etching. Engraved, Swedish, signed, Eden Talk, scrapped. Okay. And again, I'm really sorry if I'm butchering these names. Really sorry. More etching. That one needs a clean. Oh, I paid $7.99. That's probably the priciest one so far. And again, it's signed. And it's etched butterfly and dragonflies. Beautiful. So, oh, look at the cherub. Look at the cherub with the clouds. That's so cute. That one's not signed, but I'm assuming, oh, and then it's got little stars. Now this one, unfortunately, oh no, that's coming off. I was gonna say it's all cloudy. Sometimes vases get cloudy from water and it's permanent, but that line is actually wiping off, which is good. Over here. Okay, 2 more and then we're done this bin. Then I gotta put it away. $5, absolutely stunning. Bluish glass, gorgeous. Okay. And then another Killer Heavy Days. Oh, that one's beautiful. Look at the girl with like the doves and the flower. He paid $15. So this is the priciest one so far. $15. So that's awesome. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys close-ups of all of these really fast, really simple.